I don't believe in an interventionist God. But darling, I know that you do. To you, not to touch a hair on your head, to leave you as you are. And if he had to direct you into my arms, into my arms, oh Lord, into my arms. Into my arms, oh Lord, into my arms. I don't believe in the existence of angels. Looking at you, I wonder if it's true. If I did, I would summon them together. And ask them to watch over you, to each light up a candle, to make bright and pure your path, and walk like Christ with grace and love into my arms, into my arms, oh Lord.
Uden dig har verden ikke længere kun være smuk. Uden dig blev lykken og vores drømme knuste. Og uden dig har jeg været efterladt med et skrøbeligt fundament, hvor kun ensomhed, håbløshed og afmagt har kunnet eksistere. Jeg overlevede vores ulykkelige kærlighedshistorie, og i flere år har jeg båret på sorg og smerte. Men jeg ved, at det er nu på tide at starte på ny, så jeg kan gribe efter livet og lægge fortidens skygge bag mig. Derfor giver jeg nu slip på det sidste symbol på vores kærlighed. Men du vil altid have en plads i mit hjerte.
There's no answer as big as the question. There's no victory as big as the lesson. You go on and you see where your detours will take you to. There's no power like understanding. There's no beginning like an open ending. You hold on, you don't stop to believe. If you follow through, you will learn what is good for you. Someday soon, you will know what is best for you.